way she chasing me, I'm right where I wanna be with the beat on my Bentley. Checks on my Air Max. Haters, better fall back before I put some in your ball cap. That's my chick, I got her back like a bra strap.
Hey guys, what up, what's going on? This is Duking. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great, man. I'm here to react to a new video for you guys. Another Kashmir cooking oil video that they released today, like earlier for me in the morning, I believe. But I got the notification. I'm like, oh man, I can't wait to get up and react a video for you guys. So there's like 3-4 videos they released, which I'm gonna react to. One for you guys today, and then 2 tomorrow, and then 2 the next day. So anyway, the name of the song I'm gonna react to for you guys is called Teri Photo by Shani Haider and Zubab Rana. So y'all ready for it? Let's go.
ओए हो जाता है कसूर उसको समझ तू भूल नहीं हो छड़ के मैं जावा हुण वैसा ओ तेरी फोटो
Teri Photo. Alright.
तेरी फोटो रखी मैं सीने
She's pretty though.
तेरी फोटो रखी मैं सीने लाके दिल नेड़े नेड़े कोल वे ओ बंदिए हो जाता है
She's dancing it for sure.
ओए ओनु समझ ले मेरी कोई भूल वे मेरी कोई भूल वे तेरी फोटो रखी मैं तेरे वादियां दा मैनू एतबार नहीं
Also, again, beautiful voices by these two actors.
जाना है तू छटके अखियां मेरी भर के तेनू अपना बनाया सी मैं लड़ के ओ अखा मेरिया ना कदी पहचानिया और उसा मेरी कदी कदर न जानिया आजा मेरे कोल रे तेरी फोटो रखी मैं
Oh yeah, they're both dancing. They're having fun, man, both of these guys. It's a dancing song, so why not dance, right? And they're killing it. She's too damn skinny. I'm guessing she's a model, because models are like that skinny. That's what I'm guessing. So
तेरे बिन कीता है किवें मैं गुजारा वे कदी आके पूछ लंदी मेरा तू हाल तेरा नंबर मिलाया कई बार वे ओ तेरा नंबर मिलाया कई बार कीतियां कईयां कॉल वे मेरा फोन चुके आना एक बार वे ओ तेरे मैसेज दा सी मैनू इंतजार वे मैनू इंतजार रे तेरी फोटो रखी मैं
oh yeah, she is dancing it for sure. Both of them actually pretty damn good.
जो तूने है वो कोई एहसान नहीं पर तू आ जाता तो होता बदनाम नहीं ले जा मुझे वहाँ बढ़ के अपना मुझे तू मन के जा तुझे अपना बनाया दिल पे हाथ रख के वो दिल पे होवेगी अब तेरी सरकार में तू मड़िए मेरी तो देखी इस बार में देखी अपने टोर वे तेरी फोटो रखी मैं
Song is pretty lit though, I'm not gonna lie.
फोटो रखा मैं सीने लाके
that's it. When I'm about to join. Anyway, this song was pretty lit. Both of these actors did pretty damn good job, man. They were dancing, they were moving it, they were doing their thing. Both of their voices are pretty damn amazing. Like I say, all these actors and actors are like so talented, man. I wasn't expecting that. Like when I first heard that they are actor and actress, I'm like, can they sing? And then they proved me wrong. They can sing pretty damn good. And I'm like, wow, these, like, I'm guessing like all these actors and actors in Pakistan dramas or film, they can sing, man. Why are they wasting so much talent in acting? Like, acting is hard a little bit. I mean, unless they feel more comfortable with acting than the singing, then okay, that's understandable. But if they are, you know, not feeling comfortable with acting and then come to singing, you guys are pretty damn good singer, and continue singing it. Don't stop, because who knows, release an album or something, make more money on that one. So I'll give this song like 8.5 out of 10. And then their dance moves, I'll give that 10. They were killing it for real. This song was amazing, man. I enjoyed so much. As I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I was enjoying it. Comment down below what was your favorite part, and if you want me to react more Kashmir beats for you guys, copy paste the link of it and I will react it for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, oh, by the way, Jummah Mubarak. Inshallah, we'll see you guys tomorrow with maybe 1 or 2 more videos for you guys, hopefully, guys. So continue sharing and liking my video and subscribe, please. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Picture me and my gangster girl riding with the top back, banging knee on my neck, free on my socks, hat tilted to the side, like you know I get my grind on, get my shine on, drill black and no rhinestone.